Hi everyone, for this pink look I will only be using the Morphe Color Burst palette. I will be starting with my transition shade in Pillow using the Morphe 433 blending brush. I will be blending back and forth on both eyelids. Then I use the shade Pom Pom. I'm slowly building the color I want by blending back and forth. I use my Morphe 431 brush to add the Beat Me shade and blend it on the outer corners of my eyelids, keeping most of the eyeshadow in the outer part of my eyelids. I go back and forth with the Morphe 433 and the Morphe 431 brush to blend out any harsh lines. I then pick up my Morphe 507 brush. It's a clean brush to blend better all three shades, but I continue to go back and forth with the other two brushes and also add more color as well. Just continue blending as you add more color. I reach for my BH Cosmetics brush to add the shade Pale in the inner part of my eyelids. It wasn't bright enough for me, so I also mixed it with the chalk shade and just went back and forth with the two shades. With my Morphe 432 brush, I used a little of the Pebble shade and more of the Denim to blend on my bottom lash line. I keep more of that black shade in the outer corners of my lash line. Then pick up my Real Techniques accent brush to use the shade Deep Dive on my bottom lash line and blend the colors. I go back and forth between those three shades with my Morphe 432 and my Real Techniques brush. To go between shades with the same brush, I use my Mona color switch to clean it off. I use my Real Techniques brush to add pillow and pom-pom right underneath those blue shades on my bottom lash line. I reached for my NYX matte black eyeliner and started doing a wing. I used my Rimmel London waterproof eyeliner in Blackest Black on my waterline. And then use my Morphe 432 brush to blend that eyeliner with the eyeshadow on my lash line. With my e.l.f. small smudge brush, I will be applying the e.l.f. Baked Blush in Pinktastick as a highlight to the inner corners of my eyes. I also sprayed some water on the brush to make the highlight pop. After I curl my lashes, I coat them with my Maybelline Colossal Volume Express waterproof mascara and apply my eyelashes. I will be applying my Ardell Demi Wispies lashes with the duo glue. Now that the lashes are on, I'm going over my wing with the NYX liquid liner to hide the lash band. I also apply the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara to my bottom lashes. The lipstick I will be using is Kat Von D's Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in 𝐏𝐄𝐃𝐈𝐀. Not sure that I pronounced it right, but it's a beautiful berry pink color. Using my Morphe E39 brush and some concealer from my NYX palette, I would just be cleaning up the edges of my lipstick. And that is all for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and please share, like, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.